You are now watching the demonstration video of computerized TURNS-CVCT-S test system model CVCT-S4. So this is a new test instrument that can test turns, inductance, RDC for current transformers, and this can test up to 4 CTs at a time. As you can see, the platform has 8 terminals to connect start and end of each CT. So the first one is for the channel 1, and the second one is for channel 2, and this one is for the channel 3, and then we can also say CT3. Okay, and this is for the CT4. Okay, all together is with a single turn rope, and the connection here is the data connection, and here is the 9-pin D connector to the input, as we had it in our turns LCR-TZ meter. So this is a complete computerized system where all the display and everything is in the software itself. So this is all controlled through a software with a dedicated computer. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to program it, and what are the changes compared to the old version turns LCR-TZ software. So this is the new version software, which is for the 4-channel CT tester. So you can see the CT4S is a 4-channel CT tester. Software remains almost the same, but there are some small changes in it. Like so let's make a new program. So when you say create, as usual, it's password protected. And here is the options. Options almost remain the same, but a real change is here. So here you got to select any one of these 3. The first one is the TR jig. The second one is the toroidal turns test platform. So for the CT turn test, you need to select this, and you also have a drop down here. So here you select how many CTs you want to test under single go. So as such, I've connected 4 CTs, so I put 4 here. Just say OK. Okay, so from here the program remains the same. So we just select the turns mode here, and always see that we choose 100 Hz for testing turns, because it gives an optimal results in 100 Hz measurement. And this is the center value, the lower limit and upper limit, the voltage. Then once you say OK, just say next. You just write L for inductance, or you can write what you want here, but here you select the function. So L, so as it is Henry's, and you write in the center value, lower limit, upper limit, and you do this only for one CT. So the same program remains for all the rest of the 3 CTs. Okay, so you don't have to make this program for the rest of the CTs. You just program once, and the software itself will manage this for the next 3 CTs. The same program will be for the next 3 CTs also. So once we have programmed it, you want to go for a test, just load the corresponding test file. So max 108911 is a CT which I have made and which I have been connected. So when you go for test, so this is a test screen. The test display window is almost the same, but as you can see, there are a few LEDs here. These are the individual results of the CT being tested. So once if the LED shows yellow, it means the testing is in process, and if it is green, it means that the test has been done and it is passed. The same way you have it for all the rest of the CTs. So if any of the CTs failed, you can see the LED blown as red. So here is the number passed. You can see there are 4 CTs tested and 4 have been passed. So that's the major difference in the software. but rest all remains the same. There's no big change in the software. And now I'll be showing you the accessories and the connection scenario. So here are the accessories. As you can see from the left, this is a 9-pin D connector to a 9-pin D connector. This is the cable which you use to connect the TDPD platform to the instrument. And this is the data cable. This again is the same. This is used to connect the TDPD platform to the front panel of the instrument. And this one is RS-232 cable. This is to connect to a computer and the instrument. And there are a set of clips. If you're not comfortable using connecting it into the terminals, you can use this to clip it. This is a 1-turn loop. This is a diagnostic tool. So as you can see, this is a cap plug. These tools shall be used once if you want to know whether the instrument is working fine or not. So you just plug this on to the front panel and load the corresponding file. Like as this one is a capacitance plug. So I just show you. You can just unplug and plug this on. So the green LED glows. So as you connect the cap plug, there's a file you have to load. That's a diagnostic file. So this diagnostic file will be in the folder diags. So I just load this one. Sorry, I just made a file. Yeah, I just load this file and go for a test. So here, if the result shows fail, then we suppose there would be some issue with the equipment. Kindly communicate the same thing with us with the test screens and the results, so it will be easy for us to diagnose whether the equipment is working fine or not. The same way with another file. This is with the change in frequency. The same way with the test voltage. Load this at a different voltages. The same capacitance is being tested, and you can see the results. So if you find fail at some point, it means that there is some issue with the equipment. Okay, so that's all with the diagnostic tool. So if you have any questions, kindly contact us. Thank you.